Today I'm going to show you how to save and reset current view in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening Microsoft Outlook on my computer. Once the app launches, I'm logging into my account and waiting for all my emails to load in. This just takes a moment, and once everything appears on the screen, I'm ready to move forward with saving and resetting the view settings. Now that my inbox is fully loaded, I'm heading over to the inbox pane where all my emails are displayed. From here, I need to access the view settings, so I'm looking up at the top menu bar and clicking on the View tab. This is where Outlook keeps all the options for customizing how your emails and folders are displayed. As soon as I click it, I can see several different view settings appear underneath. These are the tools that let you control exactly how your inbox looks and how information is organized. At this point, if I've already made some changes to how my Outlook view is set up, maybe I adjusted columns, sorting options, or the way messages are grouped, I can save those settings so I don't lose them later. To do that, I'm clicking on the Change View dropdown. This opens up a list of options, and right here I can see one that says Save Current View as New View. I'm clicking on that option now. What this does is take all the current settings I've configured and saves them as a custom view that I can come back to anytime. It's really helpful if you like to switch between different layouts depending on what you're working on, or if you just want to make sure your personalized setup doesn't get lost. Now, once that's saved, I can move on to resetting the view if I need to. Sometimes after experimenting with different settings, or if things start looking cluttered or confusing, it's easier to just go back to the default layout. To do that, I'm staying right here in the same View tab. Within the Current View section, I can see an option labeled Reset View. I'm clicking on that now. As soon as I do, Outlook resets everything back to the original default settings. This clears out any custom changes I made and brings the inbox back to how it looked when I first started using Outlook. It's a quick way to start fresh without having to manually undo every little adjustment. And that's it. I opened Outlook, logged in, went to the View tab, used Change View to save my current settings as a new view, and then clicked Reset View to bring everything back to the default layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.